What do I have here? Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. That one hurt a little bit. That's right. What do I have here? I have the Pixel 3 XL sent to me by somebody at Google or somebody that is working for Google. So that's what I've got. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to look at it. I also got the Pixel stand, which is cool. I also got Google My Case. Whoa. That looks like that. I don't know why that's my case, but it's cool. It's cool. And I can't forget. I got a Team Pixel fanny pack. So that's pretty good too. If you've been watching the channel, I have been pretty critical of the Google phone this year because I wasn't very excited about what they looked like they were offering. But over the last week, I was out in LA. I was at Vid Summit, and I got to go hang out at Jonathan Morrison's place, and he had the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. I got to go hang out at Dom Esposito's place. He had the 3 XL. So now I have one of my own, and I can look at it. I was more impressed with the Pixel 3 and the 3 XL in person than I ever was when I was looking at them as photographs. As photographs, they were pretty darn ugly. And when I saw them in person, they were not as bad. So let's take a look at them. Let's say just take a look. Oh, there's two. So, we open, we pull out, Pixel 3 XL in matte. It's got a little matte plastic sleeve on it to be ultra un-Apple-like. We've got SIM tool there and some other paperwork. We've got this is one thing that I was kind of impressed with. Now, at first, I think I heard that Google wasn't going to put headphones in the box, but then they did. These are the Pixel. Well, I don't know if they're actually the Pixel Buds, but these are the headphones that come with. If you notice, they look almost exactly like the EarPods, but they have this little wingy thing on, which also adjusts for however big your ear is. So that's pretty cool. No headphone jack. Yes, I know. No headphone jack. You've got your USB 3 charging cable. You've got your magical, take stuff off of another phone cable. And then, now this is the part that I thought was pretty cool. They actually include not only a USB-C set of headphones in there, but they also give you the dongle. 3.5 millimeter USB-C. And then we have our charging brick. I like these Google charging bricks. They're pretty sexy looking, to tell you the truth. They're just nice and chunky, and there's no writing on it anywhere. It's just a brick. She's a brick and I'm drowning slowly. So where do I need to open it? Looks like it opens around the bottom. So I've made a slit, and I'm pulling. And I'm pulling. And I'm pulling. Pops off. And here it is. Pixel stand. Got a little plastic cover. Little plastic sticky thing. This is just like a soft touch rubber, which is pretty nice. Underneath, we've got another pull-off sticky thing. And this is also, oh, this is grippy rubber. Grippy soft touch rubber. So that's cool. Put the Pixel stand right there. Put these boxes over to the side. Push everything over. Pixel 3 XL in the middle. So what am I looking at when I'm looking at this phone? Well, I am interested in how bad it looks, whether it looks bad at all. I'm looking at whether or not it seems like it's a good phone, I guess. Durability, there have been some complaints about scratches and that sort of thing on the back, and so I'm going to be checking out the durability, but let's just go ahead and get it out of the plastic. Now, see, this is very nice. This is very nice. It has this soft touch glass. This is all glass. Little silver logo there, all glass. And this is some sort of matte glass that they've coated it somehow. Shiny. And then here is the phone itself. So it's got a green button. Green button. Volume up and down. And no other buttons. There's the fingerprint reader. Let's go ahead and see what happens when we turn it on. Well, blue. There's a little blue shift there, but we'll have to see how it goes. It's going to take me a bit to get used to what I'm seeing here, but overall, I want you folks to let me know down in the comments below, what do you want to see out of a review of this phone? Let me know down in the comments, and I will do my best to answer your questions as well as give it the once-over. Right now, I have to say, first impressions, it is a very nice feeling phone. I mean, this is just so soft. It's like a baby's butt. We'll have to see how it works. We'll have to see how durable it is, etc., etc. Thank you so much for being here. Again, my name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL, so this is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Oh! Until the next time, I'm out!